Alright. We're in the basement.
Okay.
Alright, Kayla. Go in that back room right over there and open the door.
I'll open it. Yes! Holy, thank you, Santa!
What's on there? What kind of bike is it? What kind of bike?
Awesome, you can put your...
La La Loopsy.
Awesome.
Kayla to La La
Kayla,
Loopsy.
Grandma and Grandpa in Washington got that for you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So you like it?
I think I can get on it.
Don't sit on the seat. You'll break that. That ain't going to last long.
Not on that.
Kayla. Jesus.
Put your feet on this. Put your feet on this. And pedal.
Okay, but not into the cabinet.
Okay. Now pedal.
Kayla, do you see what's on there?
It's Lala
She was already pedaling.
La La Loopsy.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Wow.
If this
Thank
stays on
you.
here. This stays
She's
on
so excited.
Can I
Try again.
Can I take those
Try again.
things?
Put your feet on the pedals. Okay. Bike towards Daddy and Phoebe.
No, pedal forwards, not backwards. She's pedaling the wrong way, Carrie. Help her out.
Forward. See? Ooh.
Seat's too short. You gotta raise the seat up.
What's too short?
Ow.
Seat is.
Pedal. Put your feet on there.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
What's too
pedal,
short?
Pedal.
Seat.
Are you pedaling?
No, she doesn't understand yet. What do you
Put your
think?
Lala Loopsies right here.
Wait, but how did you get down here?
Kayla, can you say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
All right.
Get off the lady.